Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some dirty rice. To learn how I made this, keep watching. So for this recipe, the meat that I will be using will be beef liver and Italian sausage. I'm also using chicken broth, a white onion, green and red bell pepper, celery, Cajun seasoning, and white rice. I kind of made this recipe my own, so you might see me do some things that's not, like the traditional way with dirty rice, but hey, sometimes you gotta, you gotta switch it up a little bit and you gotta do what you like. First, I started out by cooking my rice. I cooked my rice in 50% chicken broth, 50% water. So next I'm just dicing up my vegetables here. I'm only using half of each because I'm making kind of like a small amount. So I only, like I said, I only use half, and yeah, just dice that up. That's it. So now I'm gonna cook the beef liver. Beef liver is very, very, very high in nutrients. Beef liver has a lot of iron, a lot of vitamin A. And so that was, most important to me for this meal. And the goal, because I do not like beef liver, I can't stand the taste of beef liver. The goal for me was just to flavor this dish up so that I would not even taste a hint of beef liver. So I used a little salt and pepper, and then I added some butter. And now I'm adding in the Italian sausage. You want to remove the sausage from the casing, and you're just going to break that up. You're going to brown up that sausage and then add in your vegetables. You're going to cook those until the onions are translucent. I chopped down my beef liver. I'm going to add that back to the pot. And I continue to cook this for about 5 minutes. And then next, I added in the Cajun seasoning. So if you decide to try this recipe, just be careful with Cajun seasoning because this one in particular did have salt in it. So you want to, just be mindful of that and just be careful with how much you use. So after I added in the Cajun seasoning, I just, stirred that up, get those spices good and mixed in. Then I added in the chicken broth. I didn't even measure it out. I just poured it in there. I used I would say this is about 1.5 cups. I added in some black pepper as well and 2 bay leaves. I should have used 1. I just put 2 of them in there to help with the flavor, because what's my goal, y'all? My goal is to eliminate the taste of the beef liver. I had some red pepper flakes on hand. I decided to just toss some of that in there just to give this dish a little heat, spice it up a little bit. And so I let that continue to cook a little less than 5 minutes. This is basically done. From here, you just add in your rice. I cooked 2 cups of white rice, but I only added in 1.5 cups of the rice. And that's it. My heat setting was on low, and so I covered it with the lid and I let that simmer for about 5 minutes, and then I removed it from the heat just to let the steam cook down the chicken broth so that there's no more liquid in the pot. And that's it. So like I said, the goal for me was to consume the beef liver, and I decided to make this dirty rice. It was so good. It was spicy, very flavorful. So here's the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up just so you guys can get a look at it. So go ahead and give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. I garnished it with some green onions on top, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.